Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time, I hope you like what you see and subscribe. Another day on the lake chasing speckled trout. Let's see what she brings. Same rig as always, spinner and a little piece of night crawler. We had a low front move through last night, so I'm not sure how that's going to impact the fishing. It's all cleared up now though. Real lazy bite. Change the speed up a little bit, see what happens. Oh, there's a fish. Just turn the camera back on. I think we lost him. Oh, first bite of the morning. Yep, the fish was definitely biting at her. Didn't seem to have a lot of weight, but it was nice to see the action. Straighten that out a little bit. Get that bait back in the water. Oh, there's a fish. There's one, guys. We got one. Okay, we're on. Hallelujah. Now, just take our time with him. Get our net out. Oh, swim for the boat. Oh, I think, oh no, he's there. Maybe he just knows he's hooked now. Okay, in the bag. First fish of the day, little 12-inch trout. Gotta love it. Okay, break time's over. Got a nice chunk of worm on there. Let's get her in the water. Oh, little tap. We're on. Oh, I think we just lost him. Yep. Oh. Third tap of the day. Oh, we just had a hit. There we go. He's chasing it. We're on. Oh, feels like a healthy fish too. I think he might have swallowed her. Okay, in the net we go. Second trout of the day. Let's check that bait. I'm pretty sure we need a fresh piece on here. Yep, that's chewed up enough. Oh, had a little hit there. There we go, he's on. See that? Little hit, that's a nicer fish, I think. Oh, did I lose him? No, he's still on. Better get him in the net. Oh, there we go. Okay, he's in the net. Another nice fish, probably in the 12-inch class. As soon as we saw that last guy hit and we moved that bait, he hammered it. Figured his breakfast was getting away, or his lunch anyways. Back out we go. I think we'll give her another half hour. If we don't get any bites by then, we're gonna call her a day. Been a great little morning. We had a bite. Oh, I think we got a fish on. Yes, we do. Nice. Okay. Another 11, 12-incher. We'll take those all day long. How's that for a beautiful trout? Yeah, some nice fish there. Big marks. Oh my gosh, look at that. What did we say about big marks? We have a monster on here, guys. Look at that rod bend. Ooh. Wow. I don't think that's an 11 or 12-incher. Oh my gosh. I can't even get that off the bottom. That is one nice fish. Not sure what it is yet, to be honest with you. If it's a trout, it is some kind of big. Whoa! He is really working out this ultralight. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I didn't think that was a trout. Oh. Got ourselves a nice bass. Probably about 1.5 pounds. I think it's time to get home and get some chores done. Another great morning on the water, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe, my friends.